A popular 80s and 90s recipe, now forgotten. Here, I'll start by adding some oil to a pan. Then, 2 crushed garlic cloves. Mix it well until it starts to brown. Now, let's add a cup of rice. Give it a quick saute. Then add 2 cups of water. Cover and let it cook. In another bowl, mix a cup of cassava flour and water. Stir well and let the flour hydrate. Now add a cup of ground beef. Crack an egg. Add finely chopped onion. Season with salt. Some black pepper and garlic powder. Sweet paprika, then mix everything well. That's the perfect consistency. Now take a small amount and shape it. Repeat with the rest and fry in hot oil. Once browned, remove and add to the cooked rice. Now folks, plate it up and enjoy. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. Another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug and see you next time.